Ciao. Anyway, so
Hey guys, so I finished the fourth day of my meditation, and let's be honest, this day was a little bit like weird than the other 3 days that I made, but now I feel way better. So, what happened? Like, when I made my meditation yesterday, I was pretty good and then fall asleep and begin to have a little bit of weird dreams and wake up feeling a little bit like, concern about someone. So I decided to open up and like talk. And before I did my meditation last night, I was like imagining that I'm talking to someone and saying everything I feel inside. I cried a little bit. And this morning, after I wake up and made my meditation, I was pretty good actually. But then when I have my concern, so I decided to like take an action to like see about it, and I began to open up even more and speak my mind completely without like feeling shy or even angry. I was like the speech or the talk that I was talking, it looks like I'm angry or upset or something, but I wasn't feeling anger or stress or anxiety. I was just speaking what I feel inside, and I cried a little bit too. But so after taking everything out and speaking my mind without filtering and just take everything out, I felt way better. Yeah, I cried a little bit and some like for a moment I began to like cry really heavily because I felt like I can't breathe for a moment, but then I began to remember like the Sadhguru teaching that he is saying everything is you. So if you are happy, it's you. It's you are not happy, it's you. So I was keep telling me I am happy, it's me. I'm unhappy, it's me. I am sad, it's me. I am good, it's me. You know that. So I'm up, it's me. I'm down, it's me. So after doing that, I just took a shower, and as you can see, my hair is a little bit damp. So why I like taking shower, because for me water is just like a meditation itself. So I imagine myself under the shower, like the water is coming out, like coming down, like washing all the negative energy, all the negative thoughts, and all the stress and anxiety that I have inside. And after I taking shower, imagining that way, I feel way better. So this is what I did actually. And um the last 3 days, I know that like that universe was sending me signs, and I know life is happening for me, not to me, and this is a belief that I believe in from a really long time. So today was like the day of signs, like every single moment was a sign. So overall, because I don't want to make that day too long, but because I have a lot of things happening this day, like different from the other 3 days, the past 3 days. So I really wanted to like speak up, because maybe some of you will go through what I went through this day. I guess that's normal. Like the human being is normal to go up and down. So yeah, I was going up, 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 and then I just went down just a little bit. But now, after having this dip down, I begin to feel way up more than before, because I take everything out and I speak my mind and I talk all the, I'll not say negative energy, but because it was like a lot of thinking in my mind, I speak in my mind and take it all out. So I feel way lighter and way better. So and with the signs that I had today, like I feel like yeah, I'm doing the right thing, and just the universe was like telling me, keep up the good work, you're doing great, you need to go that way even more, so keep up. So for me, fourth day is a success, even with the crying and puffy eyes. But overall I feel way better. So I'm gonna see tomorrow how I'm gonna feel after the meditation and everything. So stay tuned for the fifth day. Fifth.